Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello students, the question says that you are starting a dairy farm and have read that dairy cows make more milk when they are relaxed. Since your mother listens to classical music to relax, you wonder whether cows listening to classical music would make more milk. You have 40 cows. You decide to test the hypothesis that playing classical music will make cows produce more milk. Now, the question asked is briefly summarize how you will design a controlled experiment to test your hypothesis. And also you have to identify independent variables and dependent variables and controlled variable. And we have to also make a prediction and if our hypothesis is correct or not. To design a controlled experiment, I would divide the 40 cows into two groups each, and one group would be exposed to classical music for a certain period each day, while the other group, which we will use as a control group, would not listen to any music, and both groups will be treated identically in all other aspects like feeding, milking, and living conditions. And the experiment would be conducted for a specific duration, and the milk production of each group will be measured and compared to each other. The independent variable in this study is the presence of presence or absence of classical music, and the dependent variable is the amount of milk produced by the cows, and the controlled variables include cows' living conditions, feeding, milking, milking schedules, and if the hypothesis is correct, then I would expect that the group of cows which are exposed to classical music will produce more milk, while the other group which is not exposed to the music will produce less milk. And if the results show that a significant increase in milk production for the music exposed group, it would support the hypothesis that classical music helps cows relax and produce more milk. Then, if there is no significant difference between the two groups, it would suggest that classical music does not have a noticeable impact on milk production. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you.